Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we are from Team 6 for doing the Avionics project. So basically, I am Muhammad Amin Syafiq, the leader of Team 6, and also my teammate, which are all outside from the behind the camera, Rahimi and also Claire. So this our like you said, like kita macam community member. He is Amadi and also Ahmad. Say hi to the camera. Hi. So basically, we are from T6 for doing the project Avionics subject, which is our lecturer is Dr. Amzali. So basically, we want to this community project. With the title, we want to represent to both of you about the avionics. In the same time, in like a term, we teach how about the flight, everything about. We highlight for 3 points, which is the flight mechanic, flight radar system, and also avionics system. So seperti biasa, 3 perkara ni benda yang penting lah, penting untuk dalam kapal terbang. So kita akan ajar, kita akan bagi tahu, sharing knowledge lah, orang kata sharing knowledge terhadap korang untuk both of you can understand. So make the preparation for the next 2 sem. Not for next sem, next 2 sem. Okay. But technically we can like you said, santai lah, santai. Tak ada apa-apa. Kalau ada apa-apa soalan boleh je tanya. Okay. So dekat sini saya akan terangkan lah untuk berkaitan dengan satu topik yang di mana how about avionics system. So the firstly I explain by part. Okay. So firstly is the navigation system. So how you understand about the navigation system? Apa itu navigation system? Apalah, cakaplah sikit kalau apa itu navigation. Google Map. Okay, Google Map. Okay, Madi? Okay, Ahmad cakap Google Map. Madi?
Navigation. Navigate penerbangan.
Penerbangan. Okay, betul lah. Betul. Itu dikira betul. Sebabnya dia melibatkan navigator ni macam dia kita nak menjelajah kan. So kita perlukan GPS, kita perlukan INS, antara benda komponen penting lah. INS tu apa? INS that mean initial navigation system. GPS what this mean? Okay, GPS like we know global position system. So this component is very important during in the flight. So without these 2 type of this device, we cannot manage our flight to make the pathway, to make jalan. Kalau kita nak pergi ke China ke pergi apa, kalau tak ada 2 ekor ni, 2 benda ni, bukan 2 ekor ya, 2 benda ni memang susah. Okay, itulah maksud navigation system. Okay, the next is communication system. Okay, communication system ni kalau siapa-siapa yang ada pengalaman, we have experience during taking the flight, we can know the speaker from the captain to the passengers. So there is a communication system. So I can explain a little bit to understand both of you. So bagaimana suara tu tiba-tiba ada kat kapal terbang, macam mana boleh suara tu boleh keluar, how the sound is produced from the pilot to the passenger. So basically we use the voice communication during in the flight. We have 2, which mean VHF and also HF. VHF tu adalah very high frequency and also HF di high frequency. Jadi benda tu adalah ibaratnya macam dia memainkan peranan frekuensi sebenarnya. Ada perlukan very high, ada perlukan high saja. Maksud very high di mana benda tu akan digunakan sewaktu kita memerlukan flight tu di taking daripada bahagian yang rendah. Memerlukan tekanan yang rendah, tekanan yang tinggi dekat dia tu. Jadi memerlukan, kalau kita nak communicate, kita perlukan suara yang tinggi lah, frekuensi yang tinggi, melainkan dekat atas, sebab atas tekanan rendah. So dari situ dia macam dia like tak perlu sangat frekuensi, just cakap macam biasa je. Itulah. So that's mean the what we say difference between the VHF and also HF.
Thank you, Shafiq. So I will continue to explain about flight mechanics. My name is Clarissa Clara Fusiyen and my metric number is 210018. So basically I want to explain about flight mechanics. So flight mechanics is the branch of aerospace engineering that deals with the study of how a plane and other aircraft move and behave in the air. It involves understanding the forces and motion that acts upon an aircraft and how they affect its flight performance, stability, and control. So there are four primary forces. The first one is lift. So as you can see here, this one is lift. So lift is basically the upward force that opposed to the weight of the aircraft. It is generated by the wings as air flow over them, creating a pressure difference between the top and the bottom surfaces of the wing. So the second one is weight. Weight is the force exerted by gravity on the aircraft. It acts vertically downward and is equal to the mass of the aircraft multiplied by the acceleration due to gravity. The third one is thrust. So thrust is the forward force that propels the aircraft through the air. It is usually generated by engines or propulsion system and counteract the drag. So this one is thrust. Okay. So the last one is drag. Drag is the resistance encountered by the aircraft as it moves through the air. It opposes the motion of the aircraft and is caused by factors such as air friction and the shape of the aircraft. So by studying flight mechanics, it is important because engineers can optimize aircraft for safe flight, and they can also develop control systems such as autopilot. We also develop control system such as autopilot that help pilot maintain stability and control the aircraft under different flight conditions. So that's all from me. So I will pass to Rahimi to explain about flight radar system.
Now I'm going to continue the presentation about flight radar system. First of all, my name is Muhammad Rahimi bin Cik. My matric number is 210089. Okay, now I'm going to talk about a little bit about the flight radar system and how flight radar system generally works on aircraft. So, flight radar system, also known as an aircraft tracking system, or ADS-B, which is Automatic Dependent Surveillance Broadcast. It's a technology used to track and monitor aircraft in real time. It provides details information about the position, the speeds, and altitude, and other relevant data of aircraft flying in various parts of the world. So, here's how a flight radar system generally works. First, we have ADBS transponders, which is an aircraft equipped with ADS transponders continuously broadcast their identification, position, and other data at regular intervals. The transponders use GPS technology to determine their precise location. So, this ADS transponder important because they need to broadcast their position regular interval, usually like 50 minutes, to make sure that their flight path is on the right path. So they need to check if their position is slightly bit off, then they need to recover the flight path. Okay, second, it's about the ground station. A network of ground station receive ADS-B signals transmitted by aircraft. These ground stations strategically placed to ensure ensure wide coverage and receive signals from aircraft within their range. So this is to secure, like for example, the aircraft the system is down, so the aircraft need to touch down. So this ground station can receive that this aircraft is need to touch down somewhere, so they will give information where is the safest place to touch down. Third is data processing. They receive ADS-B signals are processed by the ground station, which extract the relevant information such as the aircraft activation, position, altitude, speed, heading, and flight number. Fourth is the data distribution. The processed aircraft data is then sent to a central data. Is typically the data server of network of servers. This data is typically made available to the public through various means, including website, mobile apps, and specialized software. This means is that if you go to a website, there's a website that you can see where's the plane's position. You can use website on the internet. 5 is user interface. User can access the flight radar system through different interface such as website or mobile apps, which provide interactive map display in real-time position or of the track aircraft. User can also search for specific flight, filter by airline, aircraft type, or zoom in review specific region. Like I said before, you can use apps to see the position of the aircraft and where the aircraft is heading. 6 and last one is additional information. Flight radar system often provide additional information about each track aircraft, including its routes, destination, departure, and arrival times, flight status, and even aircraft photos. I think that's all for me. Do you have any questions about the flight radar system?
I think it's a good explanation.
Okay. And if you have a question, I think we can end our presentation for group 6. Thank you.